What to look for in stocks before investing. Congratulations on your decision to invest in the stock market. This is an important financial decision that can have a big impact on your future. While there is no single right way to invest, there are a few tips that can help you get started and increase your chances of success. When you're thinking about investing in the stock market, it's important to understand what stocks are and why people invest in them. So let's get started. A stock is a share of ownership in a company, and when you buy stocks, you're essentially buying a piece of the company. When the company does well, the stocks goes up in value, and when the company does poorly, the stocks goes down. Some people invest in stocks because they want to make money fast, but if that's your goal, you're better off investing in cryptocurrencies or penny stocks. The stock market is a long-term investment vehicle, and it's not for everyone. But if you're willing to put in the time and effort, and you're comfortable with taking on some risk, then stocks can be a great way to build wealth over time.